Shalom.
Toma, Yoma, Abanoma. Ndi Igbo.
Onye na-ekwe ga-ekwe. Zion, from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I'm back in Lagos. Mission accomplished. My happiness is this. Prophet I moved Zion's Igbo Land last 2 months. And my happiness is this. Like I said, Ebuka Obi is evangelist. I am a prophet. I went to Igbo Land to conquer the battles before Zion for Ebuka Obi now move. So it's a nice one. Ebuka Obi, you're welcome. At least I've seen somebody that will follow me to be doing the work of God. Doing the work of God is not about, we have many prophets in Lagos. And that Igbo Land will need a prophet of God, and we need the evangelist, we need apostle, we need people that will speak the truth. So I'm happy that Ebuka Obi is now joining Prophet David Iwaji in Igbo Land. Me and you know that they never said they're moving this year again. And we moved before that, and we've been there before now. So that one thing you must know about me, a prophet is a man who saw and who did before other people. Remember that the time of Okit, I am one that stood and fought all the occultic prophet, like Apokoko, Miriam Willow, Chimay Temple, and they named them, all those occultists and the occultist studios. There before Ebuka Obi now want to take the glory. When I got angry with this, when you now start calling all those spiritual people, now studying spiritual, witty, which a prophet possess, which Ebuka Obi does not have. Listen very well, Ebuka Obi is not a prophet. He's an evangelist. So what he gather is a crowd. Rehabonki gather crowd. Imoba gather crowd. They are not prophet. They are evangelists. And evangelist is, their title is to gather crowd. I am a prophet. Prophet is go to destroy. I'm a prophet and apostle. Is to go and fight battle and to conquer. The battle I fought within 1 day, we take Ebuka Obi, maybe 100 days or 100 years, you cannot fight it. Just know it. So I'm happy that you have come to Igbo Land. I'm my prophet. I'm in Anambra State People's Club. So the good news is this: we are moving. Only all over the whole world, like I said, as a child to do this at home. I moved first. I'm here in Lagos, but my ministry now is in the east. Where I moved the headquarters of Zion City of Ubuso. Zion City of Ubuso Chineke is now in Anambra State. Every last Saturday of the month is a special night. Dr. Chuka Liga Agondoya, Yahweh open heaven, miracle, praise, signs and wonder will be happening. You can see what God is doing mightily. So I'll be in Anambra State on Saturday to minister to people. Again, after that, I'm going to be, I'm in Lagos now, here to do some things and to also take some rest, because now I'm happy that Zion of Ebuka have also come down to make the work easy for me, because the load was too much for me. The load was even sometimes there's no network to even come online. So that is obviously what is affecting me. So I'm still looking for network to get, so I can be coming online. You can see Sundays I will not even post video, except I have to drive some area that's light. So Kachineke goes on Ebuka Obi, congratulations for your wonderful program, because I say if you don't I don't have any Ebuka Obi. If one Ndi na-ekweghị ga-ekwerele. Ndi na-ekweghị ekwerele. Ọ dịka ya sị na Chineke ji this crusade Evangelist Ebuka Obi, this 3 days program Evangelist Ebuka Obi melu na ana Igbo wee wota unity among the Igbos. I want you to disregard every other thing Dunaifa David Yahweh kwuru now and pay attention to him submitting to the fact that na Ebuka Obi meli forma wotalu Ndi Igbo forma. For congratulating Evangelist Ebuka Obi, I want you to disregard everything in terms of being a prophet or a brother or an evangelist. It doesn't matter. Asịrị nwanne ngwa m ife na-eso okwu n'obodo, ọ bụ ọkụka na-eso okwu, ọmụ ga-aka kongo ga-aka, abawa mba banye n'ini isi, from ini isi mmadụ ejebe nga n'obodo, ọ bụ ọkụka na-eso okwu. Ọkụka awụ ife a na-azụ ife a aka niile a na-amawu ọkụka ka a na-azụpọtụ. Hapụgodu na ife do na ọkụka, hapụ na ife do na everything. No nyabia bluzo kwado east Ebuka Obi forget about everything. Let us take
congratulations to Evangelist Ebuka Obi for doing something right. At least, this is not the Davidia I used to know. Have you seen it? Although those days in where I would to Ebuka Obi, Ebuka Obi, Abane, you gotta go. So let us take that congratulations, though from message, and forget about every other thing. Don't forget that no if you was Evangelist Ebuka Obi, can the video win away explode even no. Sino ye memu nka. But let us forget about if any now because now ejihe isi nwa adibia elembolobo. E gotta go. Ejihe isi nwa adibia elembolobo. E gotta even tologo winu matoro ginu gbadielu ginu ha gbadielu. E gotta na agba mu no na okuka na eso okwu. When he falls if you na-eso okwu na awuho okuka. But thank God that this program Evangelist Ebuka Obi melu na this ngobala is more like it is bringing more unity. There is submission from some places. Other fall in place with the ministry of Evangelist Ebuka Obi. There seems to be submission. There seems to be unity of purpose because no one selling Igbo do mana e potable congratulate Ebuka Obi na this successful program Omelu. E potable acknowledge the fact that if Evangelist Ebuka Obi was an Igbo wezigbo ife nwanne ibule ezigbo mmadu e kana shogare fall to here and there na sho umunna onwuru na sha agbata obi unu ikwu na ibe ufulefu e ma na ibule ezigbo mmadu iye eri amosu David Yahweh just congratulated Evangelist Ebuka Obi. That is all I take from this message, confirming that Ebuka Obi that Ebuka Obi should come and help him. So meaning that whichever power, whether the Ebuka Obi power Virgin Mary, koji power Mary Virgin, koji power Jesus, koji power Sosiji, important thing una nyawasere Evangelist Ebuka Obi bianyere ya aka na diaya dorie too much. You gotta go. And this is the kind of collaboration we want among the men of God. You gotta go. Let there not be a kingdom rising within the kingdom as an insider. Iji the kingdom of God. That is what I am against. So we are still counting. We are still counting. Igwe Credo. We are still coming to Igwe Credo. You gotta go. Unyo una wish la Igbo well. Cannot say anything bad about what Ebuka Obi. Whether they were conflicting interests before. Onya aneche nka, onya aneku nka. But as far as that unit, that common interest, onya una for no to the beneficial of every other person. I am willing unity of purpose, which is what I am seeing. Then those people who are still disagreeing with this development that has gone to an Igbo, they are the real Ndi Igbo, and the few of them will be left outstanding because so many people are still going to leave their WhatsApp group. Let me leave it here as the newly appointed. In fact, I'm no more a newly appointed Minister of Information. I would go Minister of Information because some kind of newly appointed that so many years ago, so many months ago. So we have to be updating you all the way. This is all these things in make it out the aftermath of the triumphant entry of Zion ministry into Southeast, into Imo State, and into Ngobala. You gotta go. Kudos to the Zion and kudos to any other person who is carrying the cross of Jesus Christ in an Igbo. Kudos to all of you. Ife domma, ife abanaka. Ebube Zion ministry binye ebube nwanozi obi ikweho igekwenile like ha ita iye meche echi niile like yai ịghọta ife anyị na-ekwuta iye meche echi niile like yai ọbụla ọgụ na mgba ife ya eme iwe efu na ife a na-ekwu nọ ife a na-eme zalụnụ.